Hello, Namaste and Salam Alaikum. Thank you. Thank you for your encouragement. And once again, I hope that I am making a difference in your lifestyle and in your well-being. Your feedback and comments provide me the encouragement to curate more topics of interest. Thank you. Today, I wish to speak about something which everyone undergoes, infants to old age. If you breathe and eat, you have it. It's a matter of joke for children, an embarrassment for adults, and if you've crossed 65, 70, you actually don't care. Everybody goes through it, around 5 to 15 times in average. But if it is too much, then you are in trouble. Yes, I am talking about flatulence, farts, gas, burps, belching. Most belching is caused by swallowing excess air. The air most often doesn't reach the stomach. It accumulates in the esophagus and expels through the mouth. Whereas flatulence occurs due to the gas built in the intestines. Gas is a part of life. An average person passes wind around 5 to 15 times a day. Farting is a symptom of both celiac disease as well as lactose intolerance, as well as eating food that are difficult for you to digest. Excessive flatulence can be caused by constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, indigestion, gastroenteritis. It can also be a side effect of some medications. Sometimes this gas travels up and can cause chest pain, back pain, etc. Before I go further, I want you to understand something. Hold your hands together like this, as if you're cupping it together like this, yeah? Look at it. Look at the depth, the length, the width. This is the size of your stomach. Well, when you've eaten something, otherwise it's just this much. Now visualize, what do we do with our stomach? What are the kind of food we put in? What's the quantity of food we put or we don't put in? So let me talk about the do's. What should we do to avoid this? Avoid eating too little or avoid eating huge meals. Maintain. Take time to chew your food and take sips rather than large gulps of water. Regular exercise to improve digestion. Eat a healthy, balanced diet. One good thing is if you can chew on fennel seeds. It's called saunf. Fennel seeds after meals. It helps digestion. So what should we not do? Smoke. Don't chew gums. No hard sweets and carbonated drinks with straw. Don't suck on the pen tops. Do not eat any trigger food that are hard for digestion or food that can cause flatulence. You know your body. You should know what causes flatulence in you. So avoid those kind of food. Now the main question. Does yoga asanas help? Oh yes. Oh yes. Yoga aids in relaxation throughout the entire body. Twisting and bending your midsection with yoga poses directs the prana or the life force energy to those organs. It supports digestion, especially your bowel movements and intestines, and it also works on the excess fat in the region. So there are many poses like Vajrasan, Balasana, Paschimottasana, Pavadmuktasana, Trikonasana, Supta Matsyendrasana. Now there are many. I will show you few. These asanas that I will show, does that mean it is only used for gas? No, it is used for many others. It's got multiple benefits. So watch all the asanas that I show you. Pick up 3 or 4. Put that in your daily schedule and do it regularly, consistently. My friend, if it is not consistent, it's not going to help you. And whose body is it? Your body. Whose responsibility? Your responsibility. So who has to be consistent? Baba, you have to be consistent, right? So let's Let me show you a few asanas. Okay? Rule number 1, listen to your body. Rule number 2, only do what you can. Don't push yourself more. 3, if you are unfit, if you are not able to sit on the floor and do it, you can use your bed while lying down, or some poses you can sit and do, sit on the chair and do. So there are various options, but do yoga. First pose, Trikonasana. What does it do? Because of the spinal twist, it helps you in digestion and also release of all the gas. Trikonasana. Stand with legs apart, hands parallel to the floor. Anyone who has BP, please do not hold your breath. The rest can. So breathe in, hold your breath, bend to the opposite side, touch the toe if you can. If you can't, let it suspend in the air. Turn your body as much as you can. Look at your fingertips. As you come back, just soften your knees and back to the same position. Right? Let me show you. Breathe in. Very simple. Don't have to go extreme. Listen to your body. Breathe in, hold your breath. Trikonasana. Pavan Muktasana. The name itself says Pavan Mukt, releasing your air. Very simple. Lie down on your back. Do it with one leg at a time and then both the legs together. Simple. Breathe in, lift your leg up. Fold, hold, pull it towards your chest. Exhale completely and touch your head. Again, listen to your body according to your capacity. Once again, breathe in, fold, hold, pull, exhale, touch. Breathe in, head back and leg back. So basically the asana is done with 2 breaths. Now with both the legs together. Breathe in, fold, hold, pull, exhale and touch. Breathe in, leg up, exhale, slowly down. So the abdomen is massaged. Pavan Mukt Asana. Vajrasana, one of the most potent asana, simple yet very potent asana in yoga. You're supposed to sit on your knees and put your weight on your feet. Very simple. Now, in case if you can't do it, you have issues with the knee, if you have weight issue or if you have certain problems which will not let you sit like that, you can use a cushion. I'll show you both ways, okay? So, you simply sit on your knees and sit back. Let me show you. Knees together, sit back. Once again, in case you cannot do it, you need a prop, use a cushion, place your ankles on the cushion, sit back. Still can't do it, stretch your legs apart and sit. Do this after every meal and say bye-bye to flatulence. Very, very important posture. Vajrasana. Sit in the position, keep your hands on your knee, close your eyes and be with your body. Spend some time with yourself. Vajrasana. Next pose, Paschimottanasana. Again, simple signs is put pressure on your abdomen, crunch it, let the prana flow easily and say bye-bye to gas. Paschimottanasana, sit in this position, keep your spine erect, raise your hand up, push your spine up as much as you can, stretch. As you stretch, Bend down as much as you can, as your body permits you. Bend down as much as you can. Paschimottanasana. Next position, Balasana, child pose. One of the very easy, beautiful pose. All of us have done it sometime or the other. Sit on your knees, spread your legs apart a little, keep your hands on the floor. As you exhale, go down, try to touch your head to the floor and relax. Small breaths. Be in this position as much as you can. Come back. Balasana. The only one body that we have. We don't have replacement. If you don't take care of your body, somebody else will. Befriend your body. This is where you are going to be in through your entire life. Help your body, support your body, and it will support you back. Take care of your body, take care of your mind, and they in turn will take care of you for the rest of your life. God bless. Shukran.